सो हेलो एवरीवन, क्या हाल चाल है आपके? हाउ आर यू? apa kabar? Aku cinta padamu, Indonesia and Malaysia. Today we are going to talk about a K-pop singer. Actually she is from Indonesia. Yes, you are right. Indonesia. She is from Indonesia and she joined K-pop. Honestly to tell you guys, I have no idea who is she or what she do. And K-pop is popular everywhere, like in Eurovision, Asia, everywhere. K-pop, like MB, like this K-pop. And her name is Dita Karang. So it's my first time react on Dita Karang. I don't have any idea that how she look like or something like that. So today we are going to make reaction on her interview and little bit song. So let's start the video. We will talk after. So guys, 1, 2, 3. Dita Karang play. Okay, yes. Dita Karang.
인도네시아가 들썩거린다고 하죠. 인도네시아에서 온 멤버 디타인데요. 어렸을 때부터 2NE1을 보면서
But she look like really Korean.
네, 안녕하세요. 강렬한 눈빛이 매력적인 메인
Even
댄서
she speak
디타입니다.
Korean. Wow.
인도네시아에서 왔습니다. 잘 부탁드립니다. 네, 강렬한 눈빛인 것
감사합니다.
같아요. 그린톤의
와우,
헤어스타일 굉장히
와우.
매력적으로 잘 어울리죠?
Look at her
이번에
eyes.
오른쪽 바라보겠습니다.
Like this.
그림도 잘 그리고요. 요리 또 걸그룹으로
Okay,
데뷔하는
they
첫
join.
인도네시아인이라고
But
해요.
only Dita Karang from
인도네시아
Indonesia.
아니었을 것 같은데 어때요? 소문 들려요? 네, 디타입니다. 제 입으로 말하는 게 좀
Maybe she's saying
그렇지 않나요?
it's my honor to join K-pop.
네,
Look at her smile.
들한테 들었는데 맨날 기사도 나오고 SNS에서도 응원해주신 팬 여러분들도 많아서 실망시키지 않도록 꼭 열심히
still looking
해보겠습니다.
her face.
맞아요. 인도네시아 잘하게 됐을 것 같은데 그러니까 쉽게 말하면 가요계의 손흥민 같은 존재인 거예요. 그렇죠? 맞죠? 저희 디타입니다. 죄송합니다. 저희 훅 부분에 목 쓰는 부분이 이렇게 왔다 갔다 하는 부분이 있는데요.
I like
핑퐁처럼.
that.
그래서 우리끼리 핑퐁 춤이라고 지었습니다. 한번
네.
Is she
보여드릴까요?
use badam?
다 같이.
Indonesian?
이 부분이 진입
Okay,
파트거든요.
maybe
그래서
they will
진입
dance
한번
now.
불러주세요. 네.
둘, 셋. 붕.
아이.
stranger, I'm not a danger. 이런들 어쩌니? I don't
와.
even care. I'll be the good girl, baby. It's that easy.
네, 이런 춤입니다.
어떤 가수를 보면서 아까 2NE1 얘기가 나왔는데요.
I like their dance.
네, 리타입니다. 질문 감사드립니다. 제가 중학교 때
Please someone
인도네시아에서 있었을 때
translate
아직은
for me.
2NE1 커버 2NE1 선배님의
Maybe she talking about me, huh?
그때부터 K-팝에 좋아하게 됐고 그냥 쭉 무대를 하고 싶은 마음이 더 큰 것 같아요. 그래서
I am waiting for her performance in video song.
유학하다가
MV.
K-팝 좋아하기 때문에 댄스 학원 같은 거 다니면서
She talking
거기서
how she
다행히
like K-pop.
오디션이 들어오고
네.
들어가서 그래서 여기
오늘
맞습니다.
맞습니다. 또 메이크업 금손인 것 같아요. 취미도 참
What is the meaning
다양한
of sama
친구인데요.
sama?
연습을 멈추지 않는 공식 열정과 어떤 열정을 팀 내에서 보여줄지 굉장히 기대가 됩니다. 디타였습니다.
Start. Dita Karang.
어딜 가나 봐도 내가 자꾸 궁금하죠. Who is this? Who is this? 이리저리 둘러봐도 가장 눈부셔. Who is this? Who is this? Yeah. 따라오는 시선 눈을 못대. 어머 bling bling 빛이 난대. 마치 어느 순간 leap of faith. 홀린 듯 빠져 느껴. Sometimes I feel like 내 심장이 뜨겁게 타오르는 느낌 날아갈 것만 같아. I'm gonna be a star. 웃음이 가려진 강렬한 에너지 깊어져 don't be surprised. Oh 아찔하게 보여줘. Please 난 이대로 너는 좋은걸 바꾸려 들지 마. 내 스타일대로 살아. 단단한 내 매력에 이미 난 빠져들어 baby. Oh 아찔하게 보여줘.
Oh my god, guys, she is really cute, and look at her face. She is not look like Indonesian, and she really, if you don't tell me that she is Indonesian, then I will never ever believe. But she really look like Korean. Even she's speaking Korean language. I am here like just know English little bit, Hindi and Punjabi, but I am really glad that Indonesian know Korean too, because Korean is popular everywhere, even in India now. I wish I can speak Korean too, Indonesian too. I am honest to tell you, I am feel motivate or confident that I feel lucky or happy that I am learning Indonesian slowly. I will understand all the Indonesian language and phrases, key phrases, everything. Then I will speak, and I will come to Indonesia like this and look at any girl. I will say, "Apa kabar?" and she will say, "Oh, back." I will say, "I am YouTuber," and she will say, "Aku cinta padamu." No, just kidding, guys. Please teach me Indonesian. Then I will learn Indonesian culture, everything, and I will try to come to Indonesia. Then we'll settle there, because Indonesia is my heart. Because Indonesia, and even my all the most of videos Indonesian, and you guys really love me a lot, and I love you too. Aku cinta padamu. And we will make travel blog also, and also tell me more songs about Dita Karang, and tell me more where she actually live in Indonesia and how she go to K-pop, right? And K-pop dance, I like K-pop when they dance and tune. I really like K-pop too. And tell me, all Indonesian people understand Korean language? If yes, then it seems like Punjabi people love Canada, and I am living in Punjab, by the way, and we love to settle in Canada because Canada is very popular here. And same like Indonesia, I have so many friends in Indonesia, and they said we wish to go to Korea or Dubai. They want to visit Dubai and want to settle in Korea, because Indonesia people look like Korean. That's why I understand, but don't go Korea. Stay in Indonesia, because I will come to Indonesia and we will meet with you all, and we will make party or everything and make vlogs. So please wait for me, guys. Wait for me. Okay, now see you in next video. Okay, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, The Real Abhigyan. It's my username. Link in description. Go over there and ask me anything and send me a link or something, which type of video you want to see next. Okay. I feel sweat. Did you saw? Because it's 45 degrees Celsius in India. It's pretty hot. It's hot than Kim Kardashian. Okay, now see you in next video, guys. Bye bye. Love you all.